In this video, you'll learn how to buy XRP Ripple on the Binance Exchange. By following this guide, you will successfully navigate the process from funding your account to placing a buy order for XRP. Begin by logging into your Binance account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one by providing the necessary information and completing the verification process. Once logged in, ensure you deposit either fiat currency or cryptocurrency into your spot wallet. This is crucial as your balance must be available for trading. To deposit funds, select the wallet option at the top of the screen and then click on Spot Wallet. After your deposit is complete, confirm that the balance reflects accurately in your spot wallet. Next, navigate to the Trade section from the main menu. Here, select Spot Trading to access the trading interface. This is where you will find all available trading pairs. To find XRP, use the search bar in the trading pair list, typing in XRP. Look for the pair you want to trade, such as XRP/USDT, and click on it. This action will open the trading interface specifically for that pair, allowing you to proceed with your purchase. Once you're in the trading interface, locate the Buy tab. You will need to decide whether you want to place a market order or a limit order. A market order will buy XRP at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. After selecting the order type, enter the amount of XRP you wish to purchase. It is essential to double check the details before confirming the order to ensure accuracy. After placing your buy order, Binance will process it based on the order type you selected. If you placed a market order, the transaction should complete almost instantly. For a limit order, it may take longer depending on market conditions. Once the order is executed, you can verify the transaction by checking your spot wallet balance. Ensure that the XRP you purchased is reflected correctly in your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.